vanilla soy latte and a grande soya decaf cappuccino. Any moment I'm gonna get arrested. Oh god, the police are behind. Hello car friends and welcome to this. It's the eRod. This is basically an electric kind of version of an Ariel Atom. So we're going to be taking this out and we're going to be doing some crazy stuff. I want to see what the 0 to 50 speed is like on this. We're going to have some fun today. So it's a two-seater, it's here for some fun. It's one of the first people to try it out in the UK. I don't want to touch the wrong thing. Is it already... Oh, it's off.
It's
amazing.
really basic.
So guys, this is Beth Lilly, who's with us now, and we're going to take this bad boy to Starbucks. It's super cold, and you may have noticed I'm donning these. It's a strong look. It's literally like taking a go-kart onto the street. It feels like it's completely illegal. Any moment I'm going to get arrested. Oh god, the police are behind. So guys, you can see a police car coming up on the side here. He's just done that with his hands to show that he's warm and we're really not.
We've got about 180 kilometres range on this.
So on the road price for this is...
If you wanted to buy one as a kit car, at the moment you're looking at about £31,000. Government here have an OLED grant.
Oh yeah, so you get that money off.
Obviously it's a new car, so it's going through the application process at the moment. Subject to that, it could be less.
You basically have a VW Golf or an eRod. Way more fun, and you get to wear goggles and a cape. I mean, you don't get that in a Golf.
I normally wear like a really thick raincoat, actually. Look at that good.
Hello. We've just pulled up at Starbucks, which is behind us. We're basically going to go through and we're going to surprise people. I think I've still got like owl marks, yeah. Could I order vanilla soy latte and a grande soya decaf cappuccino?
Does that complete your order today?
It does, thank you.
Would you like to drive around?
I would love to drive around. Epic. Longest arms in the company. Oh, we can't, absolutely freezing. There's no cup holders. Awesome. Have a good one. Take care. That was awesome. Okay guys, welcome to the Gas King Speed Challenge. We are basically going to try and lose this hat from 0 to 50. Are you ready?
Yep.
Let's do this. Whoa, I'm at 30, 40, yes! God! Woohoo! That's properly cold. Oh, I'm talk.
That was so cold.
That was cold on the way back, like so cold. Guys, that's it. What a mental day. Thank you to the guys at eRod, that's been incredible. This is the eRod. Check it out on social media using hashtag eRod. Check out their website, eRod UK. eRod.uk.
eRoduk.com.
eRoduk.com. Yeah, my mouth is so cold I can't talk. eRoduk.com. It's been the most insane thing. Go out and buy one. It's like the most fun you can have, especially in winter. Thank you guys for watching. Share this video if there's someone that you think would like it and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't done already, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.